Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kima Reaction. How you guys doing today? So I'm back again, guys. We're doing another reaction video to the group RBD, and this is a live version to this song Quiza, live in Madrid 2007 remastered version. Thank you so much. What's this YouTube name? Because I like this channel because they remaster a lot of stuff. Starlight Media, I love you guys. What you guys are doing over there, I love them. So if you guys want to watch the live versions to whatever they have uploaded, remastered version, actually go out and check out Starlight Media. They're really good. Most of my remastered videos comes from that channel. So you guys leave me descriptions of the title, not a link, so I have to go out and look for the best quality ones I can see. And so this is RBD Quiza live in Madrid 2007. So let's see what these guys gonna be giving us. I think most of the guys are the ones who are singing on this one, so they look good. Alfonso look good. Christian looks good. Oh, there go boyfriend Chris. Oh, it's Kisa. No. Look at that bow. Oh, that face. No. Yeah, I should definitely, if you don't check that Instagram page, go look at the Instagram page. They look so good. Come on, Chris. Give us that deep voice. Come on, Christian. Yes. Dulce look good, bitch. Oh, the outfit of them looks so good. Just call it 3 for 1. 3 for 1 special. I will take all 3. So as you guys can see, that was RBD Quiza live in Madrid 2007 massive version. Thank you so much, Starlight Media. Thank you. So I also want to say thanks to the person who recommended me the reactor. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for that. Thank you all for coming back, liking, subscribing, and leaving me leaving suggestions. Not a link, but leaving suggestions. I really do appreciate it so much. Thank you. So keep leaving more. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.